Wow. You know, I've always wanted to fish in here. No fishing sign? Who put that there? What's this? Oh, come on! More rules? I can't fish. Now I can. Now everyone be quiet. I don't want you to scare the fish away or hurt those annoying rangers. Hey! I said be quiet! Are you trying to get me into trouble?
Hey Sam, check out post 17. It's being reported that someone is fishing. Over.
Oh no! Now look what you guys did! Now I have to hide my bucket of fish! Alright! When I was here. Was it you? Was it you? I bet it was one of you. Everyone, shh.
Okay, headquarters. I'm here, but I don't see anyone. Hey, have you seen anyone trying to fish here? Right here.